The Shark AZ1002 Apex-powered lift-away upright vacuum is a premium cleaning machine designed for deep cleaning across carpets, hard floors, and above-floor areas. With powerful suction, advanced brush technology, and versatile attachments, it's especially ideal for homes with pets, dust, and heavy debris. DuoClean Dual Brushroll Technology. This vacuum features DuoClean Technology, which uses two brush rolls, soft plus bristle, to clean both fine dust and large debris in a single pass. It works effectively on carpets and hard floors without needing to switch heads. Powered lift-away for versatile cleaning. The lift-away feature allows you to detach the main pod and clean hard-to-reach areas like stairs, furniture, and underbeds. This transforms the upright vacuum into a more portable cleaning tool for above-floor surfaces. Anti-allergen, complete seal, plus HEPA filter. It includes a sealed filtration system with HEPA filter, which traps dust, allergens, and pet dander inside the vacuum. This makes it a great choice for allergy sufferers and maintaining cleaner indoor air. Multiple attachments for detailed cleaning. The vacuum comes with useful tools like a crevice tool, upholstery tool, and pet power brush, helping you clean corners, furniture, and pet hair from sofas and stairs more effectively. Overall, the Shark AZ1002 Apex is a powerful and versatile vacuum cleaner that excels in deep cleaning, pet hair removal, and multi-surface performance. With its self-cleaning brush roll, DuoClean system, and lift-away design, it's an excellent choice for users who want strong performance and convenience in one machine.